Hey, what's up guys? Your phone isn't charging and you want to fix it yourself? Let's do this. First, back up your data. Photos, contacts, everything. Use the cloud or your computer. Power down your device completely. Set up a clean, well-lit workspace. A soft cloth or mat helps protect your phone. Grab a basic electronics repair kit. Tiny screwdrivers, spudgers, tweezers. Remember, opening your phone usually voids the warranty. If it's still covered, consider a pro repair. Every phone is different. Look up a teardown or charging port replacement guide for your exact model. Static electricity can fry components. Use an anti-static wrist strap or at least touch a metal object to discharge static. Avoid working on carpet. Keep your tools and screws organized. Ready? Let's get started. This is your tech adventure. Let's make it a success. Here we go. Before we go full surgery, let's check for a simple fix. Dust or lint in the charging port. Shine a flashlight inside the port. See any debris? Use a wooden or plastic toothpick to gently loosen gunk. Never metal. A few short bursts of compressed air can help clear it out. Or use a soft, dry toothbrush to brush the port. Plug in your charger and test it. If it works, congrats! You just saved yourself a repair. If not, don't worry, we'll dig deeper. Sometimes a little cleaning is all it takes. If the connection is still loose or dead, it's time to open up the device. Let's move on. Cleaning didn't work? Time to open up your phone. Follow a guide for your specific model. Remove the screws near the charging port with the right screwdriver. Keep screws organized. Use gentle heat, hairdryer on low, around the screen edges to soften adhesive. Use a suction cup to lift the screen slightly. Then slide a plastic prying tool around the edges. Be careful, don't yank. Ribbon cables connect the screen to the phone. Open the phone like a book. Disconnect the display cables using a plastic tool. Set the screen aside safely. You're inside. Take a breath. This is the hardest part for most people. Stay patient and organized. Let's find that charging port. The charging port is usually on a small board at the bottom. Remove screws and disconnect any cables or speaker assemblies attached to the board. Gently lift out the old charging port board. Compare your replacement part. Make sure it matches exactly. If your port is soldered to the main board and you're not experienced with soldering, consider a pro repair. For modular boards, just reverse the steps. Place the new board, reconnect cables, and secure with screws. Don't over-tighten. Double-check all connections. You just swapped a major component. Take a moment to appreciate your work. Now, let's reassemble and test. Almost done. Before sealing up, reconnect the screen cables and power on the device. Plug in your charger. If it works, you nailed it. Power down, finish reassembling, and close up the phone. If the adhesive is weak, use new adhesive strips for a better seal. Keep your new port clean, avoid linty pockets, and clean gently with air or a brush now and then. Always unplug cables straight out. Don't yank at an angle. If you hit a roadblock, it's okay to ask a pro for help. You learned a ton and took control of your tech. Be proud, you're now a DIY repair pro. Thanks for watching and happy fixing. See you in the next tech adventure.